who is in Mombasa. Now from Mombasa, let's cross over to Kisumu, where Bramwell Bwire is on standby. Good evening, Bramwell Bwire. Watu wa Kisumu wanasema vipi?
Good evening, Robbie. As you rightly indicated, here in the lakeside city, this is always beer garden, and we're here just to get a feel of what the residents and the fans are seeing here. Nitaanza na ndugu yangu hapa, sogea karibu. Kaila, introduce yourself, tell us which team you're supporting. World Cup is coming after 4 years. What is the feel?
I feel so good. It's been 4 years after Argentina take it, and now we are seeing forward to look which team is going to take it. My name is Erico. And I'm seeing forward today for South Africa, Bafana Bafana.
Why Bafana Bafana today?
You know, today Bafana Bafana is an African team. Also, I'm an African person, and I want for them to start a good for the African team. Yeah.
Thank you. Let me speak to this gentleman here. Introduce yourself. Tuambie wewe una support team gani and how is the feeling? World Cup inakuja after 4 years.
Yeah, mimi kama Benson Ochieng niko hapa Kisumu, nafurahia sana kushangilia timu yangu ya South Africa kwa vile mimi ni Mwafrika. Nafurahia sana kama timu ya South Africa inacheza. Yeah.
So labda mnatarajia nini? World Cup mara ya kwanza iko USA. Nyinyi mnatarajia nini kama Waafrika katika hii World Cup ya 2026?
Nafurahia sana vile nachezwa USA, manake Waafrika wengi wamejaza Afrika USA. Nafurahia sana. Na niko tayari kusupport timu yote za ya Afrika. Yeah.
Exactly. That is what people are saying here. They are excited. World Cup is coming again after 4 years of sea. They are saying African country is starting off the championship. They are saying South Africa is coming for the first time here. And they are saying they are behind African team. Of course, there are other fans here. Wanasema hao wana support Mexico. Eti kwa sababu kuna vita huko South Africa. Na wanasema kwamba Afrika hawatakikani South Africa. That's the feeling they are saying here. But of course, World Cup is coming. The first match. We'll be keeping tabs to follow and see what this football bonanza is going to bring to this particular world. From Lakeside City, back to you, Robbie, in the studios.
Thank you very much. That is Bramwell Bwire, who is in Kisumu. Now from Kisumu, let's come to the